Hey, I'm Parker and welcome to my channel where we do stuff, and today we're gonna take a quick look at this guy, the DJI Osmo mobile device, where it's a device for your mobile. This is a phone gimbal, and I'm gonna put my phone in it and show you firsthand what it does. All right, let's check it out. All right, so some of you may be asking, what the heck is a phone gimbal? Well, this is a phone gimbal. Parker, duh, I see that, but what does it do? So it has these 3 axle thingies, and basically you slide your phone into it and it makes your video really smooth and just the professionalist ever. That's not a word, by the way, don't use that. So we'll just slide now this is the, oh, look at that, woo! So this is the iPhone Plus sized phone. It's a big phone. Anything bigger than that though, it might not fit, but this one does, with the case and everything. So let's slide her in and see what this is all about. Open it up, slide it in, oh yeah. And it's turned on, bling! Look at that. So we got this bottom axle right here. Let's look down at that, shall we? Oh, look at this. Can we zoom in? Oh yeah. So this bottom axle right here works for left to right rotation. In fact, I can hold this trigger button right here. See, look at that. Oh, it doesn't move. So it does that. This guy right here, tilting. So now we're tilting and we're nice and smooth, not moving around too much. And then there's this one right here. Oh, that looks up and down. So all your up and down stuff can be so smooth. Oh my gosh, look at that bathroom sink. Whoosh. So cinematic. Oh my gosh, look at that. It's beautiful. All right, let's go running. Norman! Are you the goodest boy? Are you? Oh, yes you are. Yes you are, Norman. Are you hungry? I'm sorry, did I scare you? Go eat food. Go eat food. Oh, and by the way, goodest is not a word, so don't use it unless you do have the goodest boy, which I do. Are you ready for some handheld jogging? Oh my gosh. All right, here we go. This is all handheld jogging. Yeah, baby. Woo! Oh my gosh. Hi, good morning. Neighbor's like, I live with a bunch of grumpy old men. And this is what the gimbal does. Not bad, right? It's pretty good. Oh, so smooth. Oh yeah. Whew. Well, thank you for adventuring with me on this journey. Oh wait, what? On this journey. And that gives you a little taste of what a gimbal is all about. Oh my gosh, is that really my face? Oh, disgusting.